Okay, welcome to the unboxing of the Luxli Cello Light. This is the red, green, and blue light that you can do anything with. There's three sizes, I'm pretty sure. There's the timpani, the cello, and the viola. And this is the mid-size range. It's perfect for what I wanted. So this is a red, green, and blue. You can do tons with this light. So this is the charger. You stick it in the wall. This is the unboxing. This is a look and feel video. All this is like, what is in the box? What does it feel like? What does it look like? This is exactly what I wanted to see when I was looking for this product, and I'm very happy with its perfect size. All right, so this thing is about as exactly as what you would think. It's not too heavy. It's light. It's thin. It's well made. It is plasticky, but you feel like it's well made. Those knobs do stick out a little bit further than you'd like, however. The bubble top is kind of, it's bumpy. It's what you'd think. You stick in the battery, just like any other panel light. It kind of clicks in, and there's a button to release it. Now, I've never used this before, and I was immediately ready to get started. Click the button on, and start turning the knobs, and you just play with it. And right now I'm in the dual mode from cool to yellow warm light. I was able to oftentimes match this exactly with my indoor lights, so I can just do that by look and feel. I just turn the temperature until I feel it has that same yellowish look, and I can kind of match the lights just by turning that knob. It's very cool. I will say I've had trouble connecting on Bluetooth with my phone after I did the little firmware upgrade. I've had a lot of trouble. I'm going to contact Luxli for that and that problem. But as you can see, you can bring it out of the box, turn it on, get started before even charging up. You should charge up your batteries before you do all this, but I was able to just pop it on. And on the bottom are the levels from 0 to 100%. And I'm just kind of playing around with it. I turn it towards my workbench, and what I want to use this for is to add some color in my backgrounds. More than anything, I want some blues and greens and reds to kind of streak across. And so I'm going through the different color gels right now, just playing with it. And like I said, you can just turn it on and start turning knobs, and you have color. It's super bright. It's so cool to have both cool and warm dual white light and have all the colors that you can possibly imagine. You can do so much with this. Now, it came with some effects. I did install the newest firmware, and as soon as I did that, the Bluetooth stopped working. I cannot connect with this on my phone anymore. It's very annoying. I'm going to have to contact them about it, but I was able to connect before I did the upgrade, the firmware upgrade, but now I can't. So now I turn this on myself just to kind of get a look and see what would this be like if I shined it on myself. I turned all the other lights because I would never really use this light as it is. But what does it look like? With some reds and greens. There's the devil look. The devil look. It has a chroma key green gel on it, which I found interesting because you could potentially shine it behind you and have a green screen, assuming there was no spillover. And if you had the green screen, you wouldn't need a real green screen. You could use the color. But I just love having the color in the background when you're doing some commentary and speech, and that's exactly why I got it. It's exactly what I expected. The look and feel is what you would think.